Wow, look at those daikon, so beautiful, all organic. So what we do is we use this green stuff. We use the greens to make our 5 treasures soup that is super healthy for you with the goba root. And this is our daikon that we're harvesting. It is middle of November and it's ready. Look at these gorgeous daikon. So these are the last to be harvested. We actually harvested everything already. If you look at my garden, it's pretty much cleared out. Radishes actually survived quite a few snow falls already. So there is our beautiful daikon and the daikon greens. Gorgeous. So these are our daikon that we just harvested. Gorgeous, beautiful daikon with the daikon greens. We're going to use the daikon greens for our 5 treasure soup, which is super healthy with goba root, shiitake mushrooms, carrot, and the daikon. Yep. It's my mom gathering our radish. Wow, what a great harvest.